So, at the end of the first round, Winneba Senior High School had 20 points. Mfantsipim School had 21 points. And University Practice Senior High School had 24 points. Contestants, we start our second round. All the best to you. Speed race. Solve the exponential equation 3 to the power 2x minus 6 multiplying the expression 3 to the power x plus 8 equals 0. You leave answer as a single logarithm.
What is actually happening in this speed race? Hey, Bibi Shawana, is it juju inside this speed race? Hey. University Practice leading. But let's watch the video. You'll be shocked. Charlie, something is inside this speed race. Please, if today is your first time, thank you very much. Subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Let's watch it.
University Practice.
X is equal to log 4 over log 3, or x is equal to log 2 over log 3.
No, please. Winneba.
X is equal to log to the base 3 of 4, or x is equal to log to the base 3 of 2.
That is correct. Solve the equation. The expression tan x minus 1 multiplying the expression 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Please. Okay, Mfantsipim Manza.
Okay, so x is equal to pi over 4 radians, whereas or x is equal to pi over 3 radians.
That's correct. We continue. Audience, this is a speed race. Your contestants need to hear me, okay? Find the factorized equation of the quadratic curve with x-intercepts at A, -1, 0, and B, -3, 0. Yes, Mfantsipim.
The quadratic equation in y is equal to the expression in bracket x plus 1 multiplying another expression in bracket x plus 3.
Incorrect. Who ran? University Practice.
Y equals x plus 1 squared minus 3. That is y, which is also y equals...
No, which is also...
equal to y equals x squared
which
plus 2x minus 2.
Incorrect. So I continue. And y-intercept 9. Whenever
Y is equal to 9 multiplying x plus 3 multiplying x plus 1.
Incorrect. Y is equal to 3 multiplying the expression x plus 1 and the expression x plus 3. Where does the energy consumed in the electron transport chain to produce ATP come from? University practice.
It comes from breaking of bonds in glucose. That's the energy stored.
That's correct. If a neuron, I've started the next question, please. If a neuron is unable to intercept a signal from another neuron, then which part of the neuron receiving the message is most likely damaged? Mfantsipim.
The dendrite.
Correct. What name? I know. What name is given to the type of pollination where plants attract pollinators? Yes, whenever.
Entomophily.
No, please. Attract pollinators by using bright colors or scents and offer no actual reward to the pollinator. Pollination by deception. Calculate the work done by the force, the expression 16J minus 4.0K in newtons when its point of application moves from the expression 2.0I minus 5.0J. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Negative 80 joules.
Incorrect. In meters to 6.0K meters. Yes, university practice.
56 joules.
Correct. We continue. Determine the impedance of a series RC circuit with R equals 0.30 kilo ohms and capacitive reactance. Yes, university practice.
0.50 kilo ohm.
Incorrect. Capacitive reactance 720 ohms. Mfantsipim.
It is 0.78 kilo ohms. That is 780 ohms.
You got correct. A particle moving at 5 meters per second collides with a stationary particle and slows down to 2 meters per second, whereas the other particle takes off at 3 meters per second ahead of the incoming particle. Calculate the coefficient. Yes, Mfantsipim.
0.2.
Correct. We continue. Calculate the mass of 4.82 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of bromine. University practice.
60 grams.
Incorrect. Mfantsipim.
24 grams.
Incorrect. It's 128 grams. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide formed at STP when 2.00 moles of 2-propanol is burnt in excess oxygen. Mfantsipim.
134 decimeter cube.
Correct. Last question for this round. How many atoms are in the empirical formula of propylbenzene? University practice.
7.
Correct. That's the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race.
Speed race. What is inside this speed race? Speed race. Speed race. Is it actual speed or Usain Bolt or like I don't know, and I don't actually give a damn. Abba, university practice were leading with 24 points, followed by Mfantsipim with 21 points, and Winneba with 20 points. And what is inside? Just 3 points gap. Okay, the speed race, they asked 12 questions, and these 12 questions, Mfantsipim just threw hit. Panyam, panyam, panyam. University practice, you should be very careful. The guys are very good. But with this set of Mfantsipim, David Atu Hayford, and Isaac Mensah, Charlie. Isaac Mensah, I don't know, Kenya knows, like he's laughing, but he will laugh, and the answers that is coming from this guy's mouth is wrong, totally wrong. That point, I don't still get Isaac Mensah. But for David Atu, he's always serious about it. But they are all brilliant, they collaborate though. By the time Isaac could be laughing, you think that the answers is totally correct, but it is not totally correct. The mistress will be solving and will say, no, it's wrong, incorrect. That incorrect pains me. People will be saying that I don't like Mfantsipim, like I always say bad things. No. Genuinely, the set for 2024 was something else, because when you check the regional championship for the central region, I think the finals, Mfantsipim couldn't go to the finals. That was Adisadel versus Wesley Girls, Apam Senior High School, and Ghana Nationals, of which Adisco made everything. They beat them mercilessly. And Adisco had the Central Regional Championship 2024. And this 2024, Mfantsipim made some changes. Charlie, this is the first contest for the 1/8 stage of the national stage. And we see the heat between Winneba and University practice. They've done extremely well. With this content, always say that I do post about Nsmq. I'll be posting Nsmq past events until we reach the 2026. Who is going to clinch? So I think last 2 years, 2024, Mfantsipim had it, and they also had it again last year. So I'll be posting all the records from Mfantsipim. So stay tuned, subscribe so that you get updated for more astonishing videos on this National Science and Maths quiz. Thanks for rocking with Don Well, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.